Shampoo bars, they are everywhere. But let's be real, the store-bought ones can leave your hair feeling a little meh, waxy, and don't even start about the buildup. What if I told you making your own shampoo bars is way easier than you think? And they actually work. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the process of making your own shampoo bars. They'll leave your hair feeling fresh, bouncy, and shiny. To make these bars, we are going to be using ingredients that are featured in Simply Earth's DIY Shampoo Bar Kit. This kit gives you the key ingredients you need, and it's a beginner-friendly recipe. With Simply Earth products, you know you're using ingredients you can trust. Making your own shampoo bars means no plastic waste, no toxic chemicals, and no, oh, why does my hair feel weird moments. You get to pick the ingredients like nourishing argan oil and essential oils you love. And it's just plain fun. It's spa day meets DIY project. If you've never used one before, a shampoo bar is a solid version of your normal shampoo. It lathers up, cleans, and rinses out just like that liquid stuff, but with way less waste and way more convenience. Here's what goes into this shampoo bar recipe and why these ingredients actually matter. SCI powder is a gentle cleanser that's derived from coconuts. It gives your shampoo bars a rich, creamy lather without stripping your hair of its natural oils. SLSA powder is a natural derived surfactant that creates a beautiful lather. It helps lift dirt and oil off your scalp and hair. Rose kaolin clay gently detoxes the scalp. It also helps absorb excess oil without drying out your hair. Plus, it's going to give our bars a pretty color. Foam Boost, also known as cocamidopropylbutane, boosts lather and helps your shampoo bar feel more luxurious while staying really gentle on your hair and scalp. Hydrolyzed rice protein strengthens your hair. It boosts volume, improves elasticity, and helps create shine. Argan oil nourishes the hair and adds softness without making your hair feel greasy. GeoGuard ECT is a broad-spectrum eco-certified preservative that's going to help protect your shampoo bars from mold and bacteria. Rosemary essential oil helps promote healthy hair growth and helps refresh your scalp. Peppermint essential oil invigorates the scalp and helps give your shampoo bars a fresh, clean feel. These soap molds will help you shape your shampoo bars to give them a finished look. And don't forget some packaging and labels to make your shampoo bars look as beautiful as they are effective. You'll also need some home staples. You can use cornstarch or rice starch. This helps balance the texture of your bars to keep them from feeling sticky. You'll also want a face mask. Powdered surfactants can get floaty and irritating. If you breathe them in, you will cough or sneeze. Wearing a mask makes the whole making process a lot nicer. So let's get started. Start by putting on your face mask and then mix your powdered ingredients together. In another bowl, you're going to mix your wet ingredient. Next, combine the two mixtures until you get a dough-like consistency. At this point, you won't need your face mask anymore because you've added some liquid ingredients to your powdered ones and they will no longer become airborne. Next, you'll want to press it into the mold and let them set in the fridge. Take them out of the fridge, remove them from the mold, and allow them to dry out for a couple days so that they get nice and hard. Once they're dry, wrap them up and label them, and they are ready to be used. Some tips for DIY shampoo bar success is first, make sure you wear that mask. Otherwise, you'll be coughing and sneezing and it won't be a very enjoyable experience. Next, let the bars dry completely before you use them. Otherwise, they can break apart and become mushy. Next, when you're using your shampoo bars, be sure to store them in a soap dish that has drainage so that they can dry out between uses. And lastly, have fun customizing these bars. An easy way to customize shampoo bars is to swap out the essential oils. Check out my video on best essential oils for hair care to choose what works best for you. You can also match these essential oils to the conditioning bars that you make. To use your bar, first, wet your hands and your hair, then work the bar into a lather. Massage this onto your hair and scalp, then rinse it away. If you have short hair, you may find that you like to apply the bar directly to your head. By making this shampoo bar recipe from Simply Earth, you're not just making hair care, you're switching to something better, not only for you, but for the whole planet. Since switching to this recipe, I can actually stand to have my hair down. It's up right now, but before using these shampoo bars, you would never see my hair down. These shampoo bars leave my hair feeling light and manageable without buildup or that waxy feel that I've gotten from other shampoos. To make this recipe, grab your DIY shampoo bar kit today. I've also given you a free cheat sheet that I've linked below that includes more information about different hair care ingredients and even recipes. Happy making!